Papua, a vast island split between Indonesia and Papua New Guinea, stands as one of the last frontiers of untamed wilderness. Its dense jungles, treacherous mountains and secluded rivers hide a multitude of secrets. Many believe that this land is home to phenomena that defy scientific explanation, creatures and stories that blur the line between myth and reality. Among these enigmatic tales is the story of the Ropen, a creature so extraordinary that it has captured the attention of local villagers, cryptozoologists and adventurers alike. Described as a gigantic winged beast with features eerily reminiscent of prehistoric pterosaurs, the Ropen has been the subject of countless sightings and reports. Yet, like many legends, it remains shrouded in mystery. The tale of the Ropen begins with lights, strange, glowing phenomena that have been observed streaking across the skies over Papua for nearly a century. These lights, known as Ropen lights, are said to illuminate the night in brief, eerie flashes, leaving witnesses in awe and fear. Locals were the first to associate these lights with a living creature, describing it as a massive nocturnal predator. Over time, its name, Ropen, became synonymous with the unexplained, a symbol of the secrets hiding in the island's darkened skies. The first detailed accounts of the Ropen emerged in the 1930s, when sightings of glowing lights were reported near the isolated island of Umboy in Papua New Guinea. These lights were not stationary. They darted across the sky in patterns too erratic to be man-made, leading villagers to believe they were connected to a living entity. The descriptions were consistent. The Ropen was said to have an enormous wingspan, leathery skin like that of a bat or reptile, and a tail tipped with a luminous diamond-shaped appendage. Some villagers believed the creature had spiritual significance, while others feared it as an omen of danger. As stories of the Ropen spread, they captured the imaginations of cryptozoologists, the researchers of creatures whose existence has not been scientifically proven. Among these was Jim Bloom, a missionary who spent over 3 decades in Papua New Guinea, documenting the accounts of local villagers. Bloom described the Ropen as a creature with a wingspan of up to 30 feet, a sharp, elongated beak, and a powerful tail. According to his research, the Ropen was not merely a local legend, but a real, living creature. Bloom's investigations were supported by other cryptozoologists, such as David Wotzel, who embarked on expeditions to find evidence of the Ropen. On one such journey, Wotzel and his team ventured into the jungles of Umboy, armed with night vision cameras and recording equipment. They interviewed villagers who described first-hand encounters with the creature. One fisherman recalled a night when the Ropen swooped down to the water's surface, its glowing tail reflecting in the waves as it hunted for fish. Another villager claimed to have seen the creature land on a tree, its massive wings folding against its body as it emitted a guttural cry. During these expeditions, Wotzel captured footage of strange lights moving through the sky. While the recordings were inconclusive, they added weight to the villagers' claims and fueled speculation about the Ropen's existence. Skeptics, however, dismissed the footage as a misinterpretation of natural phenomena. Some argued that the lights were caused by bioluminescent insects or swamp gas, while others suggested they were reflections from large seabirds like frigate birds. Despite the skepticism, the sightings continued. In 1994, a retired World War II soldier named A. Hopkinson recounted a harrowing encounter with a creature that matched the Ropen's description. While exploring the jungles of Papua, Hopkinson and 2 companions stumbled upon a creature that defied belief. It emerged from the underbrush, its massive wings unfurling in an awe-inspiring display. Hopkinson described its skin as rough and reptilian, its beak filled with sharp teeth. The creature took flight, leaving the men in stunned silence. Hopkinson's account was later compared to descriptions of prehistoric pterosaurs, sparking debates about whether the Ropen could be a living fossil. The Ropen is not confined to the jungles of Papua. Sightings have also been reported along the island's coasts, where fishermen have described encounters with a winged predator that dives into the water to catch fish. One such incident occurred in 2007, when a group of fishermen witnessed a creature with an estimated wingspan of 10 meters circling their boat. They described its cry as a deep, resonant sound that echoed across the ocean. The creature's glowing tail illuminated the water, casting an otherworldly glow on the waves. The glowing tail, often referred to as Ropen light, is one of the most perplexing aspects of the creature. Some witnesses describe it as a bioluminescent feature that activates during flight, while others believe it reflects ambient light in a way that creates the illusion of glowing. Regardless of its cause, the light has become a defining characteristic of the Ropen, distinguishing it from any known species. While the accounts of the Ropen are compelling, they are not without their critics. Skeptics argue that the sightings are likely misidentifications of known animals or natural phenomena. For example, the frigate bird, a large seabird native to the region, has a wingspan of up to 7 feet and a distinctive silhouette that could be mistaken for a flying reptile. Additionally, the lack of physical evidence, such as bones, feathers, or nests, casts doubt on the Ropen's existence. However, proponents of the Ropen point to examples of living fossils as evidence that such creatures could exist. The coelacanth, a prehistoric fish thought to be extinct for millions of years, was rediscovered in 1938, proving that some ancient species can survive in isolated environments. Could the Ropen be another such survivor, hidden in Papua's vast and unexplored wilderness? The cultural significance of the Ropen cannot be overlooked. On the island of Umboy, the creature is deeply ingrained in local folklore. Villagers believe the Ropen is a guardian spirit, protecting sacred sites and serving as a bridge between the physical and spiritual worlds. For the people of Papua, the Ropen is not just a creature but a symbol of the island's mystery and resilience. Even today, the Ropen remains an enigma. Sightings continue to be reported, and the stories are passed down through generations. Some believe that the Ropen is a real, undiscovered species, while others see it as a legend born from the intersection of nature and imagination. Whatever the truth may be, the Ropen serves as a reminder that our world is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. As night falls over Papua, the jungle comes alive with the sounds of unseen creatures. Somewhere in the darkness, perhaps, the Ropen spreads its massive wings and takes to the sky. Its glowing tail cuts through the shadows, leaving behind a trail of wonder and fear. For those who believe, the Ropen is not just a story, it is a challenge to explore the unknown and to embrace the mysteries that make our world extraordinary.